License plates have just changed in the state of New Jersey. Now the plates start with 2 letters and are followed by 4 different numbers. How many different license plates are possible if the numbers cannot be repeated, but the letters can be repeated? Right now I would like you to please pause this video and give this problem a try for yourself, or at least think of some ways that you would try to solve this problem. So the first thing we're going to do is look for what does the question ask us. And what it's basically asking is how many different license plates are possible. And when thinking of the total possibilities, you should think about the fundamental counting principle. And with the fundamental counting principle, you basically just multiply the number of different choices. Now this question in particular revolves around the number of different choices of letters and numbers on a license plate. So now let's look at what the problem gives us. And it says the license plate starts with 2 letters, and very important, the letters can be repeated. So we'll start with the number 26, and we use the number 26 because there are 26 different letter choices. A to Z is 26 different letters. And again, the letters can be repeated. So if I choose an A for the first letter, I can choose an A again the second time. So we're going to multiply, because it's the fundamental counting principle, 26 by 26. And if I chose an X the first time, I can again use the letter X. So that again leaves me 26 letter choices. A to Z can be repeated. Now let's look at what else the problem gives us. It says there are 4 different numbers, and the numbers, however, cannot be repeated. So now we're going to multiply 26 by the number 10, because we have 10 number choices. The choices range from 0 all the way to 9. And these numbers can only be used once. So our 10 is now going to get multiplied by a 9 instead, because the previous number can't be repeated. If I chose 6 the first time, I can't use 6 again. So I'm left with 9 number choices. And we're going to multiply our 9 by the number 8, because now 2 numbers have been used. So if I used 7 and then 6, I can't use either of those numbers. And I'm left with 8 number choices. 8 then gets multiplied by 7. And again, the numbers cannot be repeated. That's why it will be 7 this time. And 3 numbers have been used. So there's only 7 choices left. And to finish this problem up, you're going to multiply across the board here, and you wind up with 3,407,040, and you're finished with this problem.